to know. Yeah. Castello, hello.
I hope this is clear enough, guys. Let me move further away a little. So, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is King Muruka, and welcome to my world. So today we are traveling to Kisumu, and I'm so excited because the last time I was in Kisumu was last year June. So yeah, I'm really excited to go there. Yeah, and I was thinking, since we're going to another county, I should do a Kisumu vlog. I'm going to try and visit amazing places that are affordable in Kisumu, but I won't be there for long. I'll be there for only 6 days, so we shall see what we'll do. But today I'm doing a vlog. So today I'm traveling at 5 p.m. I'm going to Kisumu. I have packed my things. I'm going to show you how I've done it. What else am I supposed to tell you guys? I've packed, I'm already prepared. It's around 1:30 p.m. now. Yeah, so I just don't want to be late. I'm really excited, by the way, and it's so hot out here, so I'm really exhausted already. So yeah, guys, I'll try do a Kisumu vlog edition. I hope I will make it, because yeah, it's kind of hectic to vlog sometimes, when you're trying to double task. But I'm going to do this for you guys because you guys mean a lot. Anyway, thank you so much for the support so far. It means a lot to me. So for now, I'll tell you guys bye. I'll try and vlog every single thing. I won't talk much in my vlogs, but I'll also try to talk. But yeah, seeing is believing. I don't have to tell you guys anything. So yeah, keep it locked. It's gonna be an interesting day, but tiring. So yeah, the best part is that I'm taking you guys with me, so don't worry, I got you guys. Yeah, bye for now. Whew. So guys, I'm done packing. Sorry, this is a bag I'll be carrying. It has all my clothes for 6 days. I don't like carrying a lot of stuff when I'm traveling, so I'm carrying this. And then this is a sling bag where I'll put my phone and maybe lip gloss, just things that I need for the moment. Yeah, and then there is also there because I told you guys I want to vlog Kisumu edition. So yeah, I'm gonna try it and vlog a lot. Yeah, so I'm gonna just hang this on my neck. When I'm done with it, I'm going to push it inside my bag. Yeah, that's it. That's all I need. Everything is in here, by the way, the shoes, everything else. Cindy, hi, mwambie you're going to Kisumu. I feel like Nick. Cindy, say hi. You? Cindy. So nice. The line. Cindy. When?
that's when I fell for you, fell for you. Ukisimama kujua unajua.
Turning, place you up to the strap to the right end above your chest and under your chin. Proceed to the nearest exit, jump and swim away. Return to the safety lift net to the seat pocket in front of you. For more information on how to use the seat cushion and the flotation device. If you're traveling with an infant, the cabin will provide you with an infant life vest with instructions on how to... Kevin? Hapa ni kaa sio vlog, hata huko kwa vlog yangu.
You over there. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Kuchanga tu hivi mata. When the world sees everything in black and white, we close our eyes and live in the gray. What a time to be alive. Wanna love you till the sun comes up. Wanna love you till the moon goes dark. But stay, remember, you sing me, sing you. It was no dream, cause that's when I fell for you, fell for you. Ukisimama kujua unajua. Unajua. Ukisimama kujua unajua. Unajua. Ukisimama kujua unajua. Ukijuanga mini so drifter, Mamma Mia, I'm no Casanova, I'm no Casanova, soul dreamer, Mamma Mia, I'm no Casanova, I'm no Casanova.
Oh, Myra. Oh. They check on Jude.
I didn't look for you. Hey, sit for down. I didn't
That's an air bath, I think so. I'm not sure of the name, and I lost my voice there. So
I'm going back home because lovely.
It was very nice.
Welcome to my channel.
Bye-bye.
No, but check it.
Merry Christmas.
You over there. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Kujanga tu hivi mata. When the world sees everything in black and white, we close our eyes and